All right, guys. It's been a couple days, and I've let those silver connecting tabs sit in the acid there for a while. And as you can see, we have that beautiful blue color. Now, it was a lot darker, but I added some water. Now, remember, distilled water only. Just to make sure if there was any acid left, it would neutralize it. So now let's go ahead and get those tabs out of the solution. Go ahead and pour them through the funnel. Just using a regular old coffee filter, it will do the trick. So let's go ahead and get that done. So all this silver is going to be trapped in that liquid, making that blue color. And anything that was not silver is then going to be collected by the filter here. Now, as you can see, it is definitely taking a minute for that to drain off, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the vacuum switch here, and you can see how faster that'll drain. Make sure we're getting good suction everywhere. There we go. Take this off so we can go ahead and tilt this down. I don't want all those contacts just smashing into that glass funnel. These funnels are ridiculously expensive for just being a glass, but as intricately as they are constructed, I can understand it. Take some water here. Just help rinse out our container here, as well as help neutralize, once again, if there's any more acid. And just rinse off any of those parts up there. Now I got all of those tabs caught in the filter trap there, with all the silver taken off. And now we are left with just liquid silver. Alright, now we've got our beautiful liquid silver and another vessel here. Just cleaned up that piece of copper, because you definitely want to have nice clean copper to have the chemical reaction occur. So all we're going to do to get that liquid silver back to a solid state is we're just going to drop this copper in there. Yeah, got that better propped in there. As you can see, I got half the coin soaking in the bath there. And what's going to happen, you'll slowly see the silver collecting to that copper, and then once it gets heavy enough, once it's accumulated enough, it'll actually drop off that silver, or I'm sorry, off that copper, and then land on the bottom of the jar there. And then once the silver stops occurring, you'll know you've gotten all the silver out of the solution. And then you're just going to filter that off again through a filter. And this time, whatever is caught in that filter is going to be silver. And then to turn it into an actual metal, you'll just heat it in a furnace and smelt it. And then, yeah, you got yourself some 999 fine silver. Hope you guys enjoyed.